Hello, my name is and today we're gonna try to make a wine holder. So this is my project. This is I just draw this in SketchUp, and this is what we're gonna try to do. What do you think? Do you think I can do this? So for a comparison, there's a person. This is more or less alpha meter high and alpha meter wide, and also slightly more than alpha meter deep. Let's get our tools and let's go. Okay, big flaw of this garage, it doesn't have natural light. That sucks. It's really beautiful day outside, but yeah. Ta-da! Cool, right? Let's do this. Oh, fuck me. I think I should have glued it. Ta-da! It's a bit too wide. 45 centimeters is too much.